In my last video, I've shared the actual alternatives to the jrpass, considering the expected price increase in October 2023. In this video, we'll keep on discussing additional passes for traveling shorter distances in the Kansai area, such as Osaka, Kobe, and Kyoto, which can really save you a good amount of money. If you're interested in learning about options for long-distance travel, such as interstate or multiple city trips, make sure to watch my previous video. So get ready and let's jump right into it. If you're planning to spend a few days in Osaka and want to explore the vibrant city of Osaka to the fullest, you can consider using the Osaka Amazing Pass. With the pass, you'll have access to unlimited rides on various modes of public transportation, including buses, trains, and even ferries. That means you can easily hop from one exciting destination to another without worrying about extra costs or figuring out complicated routes. But that's not all. The pass also grants you free entry to over 35 of Osaka's top attractions and cultural sites. Plus, with the pass, you'll receive special discounts and deals at select restaurants and shops. There's a one-day pass that costs 2,800 yen, or you can go for the two-day pass, which is priced at 3,600 yen. It all depends on your schedule and how much you want to explore. And don't forget, the two-day pass is valid for 2 consecutive days. To learn more about saving money with the offers provided by the Osaka Amazing Pass, please check out my previous video. If you just want to freely travel on the Osaka Metro subway lines and conveniently explore Osaka, the Osaka Metro Pass is the most cost-effective choice. They offer a pass for either 1 day or 2 days, and the prices for each are 700 yen and 1,300 yen, respectively. With a single purchase, you can hop on and off the subway as many times as you want within the validity period, saving you both time and money on individual tickets. If you're thinking of riding the Osaka Metro more than 3 times in a day, it's worth getting a 1-day Osaka Metro Pass. The Kobe City Loop Bus is your key to unlocking the best of Kobe. With their convenient 1-day and 2-day tickets, you have unlimited access to this convenient hop-on, hop-off bus service. It covers all the major attractions in Kobe, from the iconic Kobe Port Tower to the stunning Kaitano Ajinkan. The fare for 1-day pass is 700 yen, while a 2-day pass costs 1,000 yen. You can purchase them directly from the bus driver when you get on board. With buses arriving every 20 minutes, you have the freedom to spend as much time as you want at each destination. For those seeking a little adventure and relaxation, the Arima-Rokko 1-day excursion pass is a must-have. This pass allows you to explore the stunning Arima Onsen, famous for its natural hot springs, as well as the majestic Mount Rokko with its panoramic views of the city and surrounding nature. This day pass lets you travel freely on the subway, and multiple railways operate between Osaka and Kobe. And guess what? It even includes a free entry ticket to either Arima Onsenkin no Yu or Jin no Yu, where you can enjoy a relaxing hot spring. But that's not all. You can also use this pass to travel between Arima Onsen and Mount Rokko on the Rokko, Arima Ropeway, as well as the cable car and buses that run between the Ropeway station and cable car station. Can you believe it? All of these transportation fees and hot spring expenses are covered by the pass, and it's only 2,500 yen. This pass is definitely worth it. In Kobe and the surrounding areas, there are plenty of affordable passes available for exploring. You should definitely visit the website of Hanshin Railway, where you'll be able to find a pass that perfectly fits your itinerary. You can find the link to it in my travel plan, and also in the description below. If you want to know more about the Hanshin Tourist 1-day pass for traveling Kobe, you should check out my last video about long-distance travel passes. If you're planning a trip to the enchanting city of Kyoto, we've got the perfect solution to make your sightseeing adventure a breeze. Introducing a whole set of Kyoto sightseeing passes. The brown Kyoto Sightseeing Pass is your golden ticket to explore all the wonders this ancient city has to offer. You can get unlimited rides on the Keihan Railway within the Kyoto area, including Uji. If you purchase it from overseas, the price will be 100 yen cheaper, so it's only 600 yen for a 1-day pass. If you're planning to stay in Kyoto for a few days, you might want to consider buying a couple of these passes. These 3 passes are for sightseeing in Osaka and Kyoto. I talked about the silver and golden ones in my last video. The blue pass is a bit different because it also covers the Osaka Metro and Osaka City Bus, in addition to the Keihan Electric Railway. It costs 1,400 yen for 1 day, so it may not be as economical as the other passes. For those seeking a unique experience, we have the Green Kyoto Osaka Sightseeing Pass, Greater KURAMA KIBUNE area. Extra railway added to this pass is Izen Railway, which takes you on a journey to the mystical mountain village of KURAMA and the charming town of KIBUNE. The pass costs 1,800 yen for a 1-day experience. And it's a fantastic deal for a round trip between Osaka and the KURAMA, KIBUNE area on the same day. If you're looking for a convenient way to explore Arashiyama and Kyoto area, the Randen and Kyoto subway one-day ticket is your go-to option. This pass allows unlimited rides on Kyoto subway and Randen tram, granting you easy access to the picturesque district, Arashiyama. The main highlights of Arashiyama are the enchanting bamboo forest, the iconic Tagetsuki Bridge and Hozu River. The pass only costs 1,300 yen and it offers you a tranquil escape from the bustling city. I've compiled a table with the comparison of all the passes I mentioned for Kansai area. You'll find this handy table and the links to the official websites of all passes in my travel plan. I've also included the click links for each pass, where you can order them online at a discounted price. You can then redeem them at the Tourist Information Center in Kansai International Airport by showing your passport. Don't forget to bring your passport with you to prove that you're a visitor to Japan when purchasing or redeeming these passes. It's important to note that only foreign passport holders are eligible to buy certain passes. This informative and ready-to-use travel plan will be shared for free in the final video of my Japan trip. I would recommend you to check out my last video where I show you how to get around Japan using a super helpful app. It makes finding routes a breeze, especially if you're using any travel passes. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our travels around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you at the next exciting destination in Osaka.